Why? I was just counting my cash. The cash I saved by making my own seed raising mix rather than buying one ready-made from the hardware shop. I'm Dominique Sparks from Balancing Rock Farm, and I'm all about living off the land frugally. If you stick around, this video will show you how you can make your own seed raising mix and save money as well. It's dead easy to make, only has 3 ingredients, and they're all readily available from your local hardware shop or plant nursery, and they're very cheap. I'll put my costings in the comments below so you can make the comparison. As you can see, I'm out in the glass house today. I'm going to show you how to make a very easy and frugal seed raising mix. It's for that time of the year again when we're all thinking about planting our summer vegetables, getting seeds started. So let's make it as economical as possible. There's 3 main ingredients that I'm going to use today. This is a Coir brick. Coir, I'm never really sure how to pronounce it, but I think that's right. It's a byproduct of the coconut making process, so it's sustainable and very cheap. Now, in order to use the Coir brick, you have to soak it. So you can see I've just put it in this bucket, nearly filled the bucket. It's just a 9 or 10 litre bucket. It really only needs to stay in there for about 15 or 20 minutes. Then I'll give it a good stir, break up any more chunks, and it should be right to use. Now, it's actually 2 days later. I was distracted with life and living. But as you can see, this has completely soaked up all the moisture now, and it's filling the whole bucket. Beautiful and friable, ready to mix in. So the mix that I've found works the best is 2 parts of the Coir. I've got a little lamb over there that thinks it needs to be fed. He's complaining bitterly. 2 parts of the Coir mix and 1 part each Perlite, which you can see it's very light and airy, and 1 part Vermiculite, which is also light. So a good seed raising mix needs to be very well draining, but also nice and light so that it's easy for the seeds to push up through. So I'll get started. 2 parts Coir, 1 part Vermiculite, 1 part Perlite. It doesn't matter what size container you use, it probably will depend on how much seed raising mix you need, but I'm going to use this ice cream container because I'm going to raise lots. One part Vermiculite, one part Perlite, and 2 parts Coir. So there you have it. Beautiful, light, friable seed raising mix. Free draining and light and airy enough for the little fresh roots to push their way through and the new little shoots to come up to the surface. Just another little hint, if you're not going to use it straight away, water it up before you put it in your pots. It needs to be damp but not wringing wet. So just wet enough that it'll sort of stick together like that's perfect. That way you don't have to disturb your seeds once you get them into the pots. Back in the office, you can mix a little bit of fertilizer in with that mix if you feel like it needs a little bit more nutrition. Otherwise, once the shoots start poking up through the surface and they've got 2 or 3 leaves, just give them a light watering with a weak solution of seaweed fertilizer or another liquid fertilizer. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you'll know when I post more videos. My name's Dominique Sparks from Balancing Rock Farm, and I'm into living off the land frugally.